Now that you have explored the TIF categories, let's explore even deeper. The 8 TIF categories also include different skills that are outlined in the Transitions Integration Framework. Let's explore each one. So here are the 8 categories. And here are the skills that belong to each of these categories. Effective communication, skill 1. Engage positively and actively with individuals in both one-on-one and team settings to accomplish goals. Skill 2. Use language style, level of formality, and nonverbal cues appropriate to context and task in oral and written communication. Skill 3. Utilize a variety of technologies for communication. Learning strategies. Skill 1. Apply appropriate strategies for comprehending oral or written language in texts and listening activities. Skill 2. Apply appropriate strategies to organize, retain, and review materials in order to aid in understanding and recall. Skill 3. Apply appropriate strategies to compensate for and fill gaps in knowledge. Number 4. Articulate awareness of what helps one learn language and content. Academic language and skills. Skill 1. Recognize and apply rich academic vocabulary in multiple discourses, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Skill 2. Interpret and convey meaning through knowledge of standard conventions, spelling and mechanics, and organizational principles, syntax, grammar, in complex reading, writing, speaking, and listening situations. Skill 3. Employ academic skills to read, interpret, and create complex written discourse. Skill 4. Demonstrate ability to create and deliver effective evidence-based oral presentations. Skill 5. Write evidence-based texts employing research skills. Numeracy. Skill 1. Use numbers and operations in a variety of contexts such as community, school, and work. Skill 2. Apply patterns and use variables to represent and solve problems that involve numeracy in everyday and/or academic contexts. Skill 3. Collect, organize, represent, and interpret data to solve problems. Skill 4. Use measurement and geometry to describe our physical world and solve problems. Skill 5. Solve simple and complex math problems embedded in word problems and real-world contexts. Critical thinking. Skill 1. Organize, analyze, and illustrate relationships between components, items, and ideas. Skill 2. Solve problems. Skill 3. Use information to draw conclusions and make decisions. Skill 4. Recognize bias, assumptions, and multiple perspectives. Self-management. Skill 1. Set realistic goals and work independently to achieve them. Skill 2. Manage information and materials for one's own learning and goals. Skill 3. Manage time effectively to complete tasks. Developing a future pathway. Skill 1. Evaluate personal skills, strengths, values, and beliefs to inform decisions about one's future pathway. Skill 2. Explore available options in order to identify one's future pathway. Skill 3. Effectively complete the steps needed to enter into a selected pathway. Navigating systems. Skill 1. Seek information or assistance appropriately from others in order to successfully navigate specific systems. Skill 2. Identify and comply with rules, policies, and performance expectations within institutions and organizational structures. Skill 3. Identify and follow norms of an organizational structure. This concludes the review of the skills that belong to each of the categories. Continue on to the next activity.